Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and in this video I will continue my Bitrix24 training course regarding robots. Okay, so if we go to the leads, in that case doesn't matter you in leads or deals. If you go into the automation rule and go into create and go to the custom information. So we discussed all previous robots, now we discuss some customer information. The first very useful robot, which save your time. Name of that robot is create contact for lead and responsible person on behalf of Emin Mamedov and here. So I already created stage, create a contact, and I move that robot here. And actually what happened is that when you create a lead and you give a name of that lead, and then inside of that lead you put in some data, manually or automatically, and then you put some number and some email. So you created a lead, then you click save. The thing is that when you create a lead, is kind of complicated to do it, to complete this contact manually, or sometimes it's impossible to create automatic lead from external source with contact attached to the lead. And when you want to convert that lead to the deal, click complete lead, you need to select deal plus contact, which is time consuming. You need to click save and you need to check how contact is here. But to escape that tragic situation, you can create that robot and then move to that stage. And booms, contact created inside of that lead. After that, when you convert that lead to a deal, you just need to select generate a deal. And that's it. When you generate a deal, you already got a contact connected to that deal. Okay, so save your time. I recommend that usually what I'm do, because I got a lot of spam, I'm checking lead first, and if I see that lead is correct, I'm just converting to that stage to create contact stage, and that's it. I got contact connected to the lead. Good. Let's go further. Automation rule and create custom information, modify contact. So it's about if you doing some modification contact information. For example, in my case, you can do any changes. When I create a contact, I always identify is that contact is a client or a partner or somebody else.
Who are you?
You know who I am.
So it's important because when I'm doing email marketing, I'm selecting contacts from the contact type of the contact. So what I'm doing, I'm deleting the default field when I'm selecting fields inside of a contact and searching for contact type and selecting clients. Yeah, of course, you can create stages, for example, for suppliers, partners, and others. But as example, it will be clients. Emin Mamedov. And no condition, just save. And what happened is that I will move a lead to that stage. It will create a contact. Then inside of that contact, it will assign that contact as a client type. Okay, so let's do that. So I created data inside of that lead, which is not contact connect to a lead. I'm moving to the stage create a contact, and voila, robot created a contact, and inside of that contact I can see that contact type, which is here, somewhere here. Let's find contact type here. So I assign that contact as a contact type clients. So you can use even custom fields or any other fields, just identify your contact or change your contact as you want. Okay, so then we go to automation rules again, go to the create and go to the custom information, go to modify company. It's quite the same, you just modify your company. Okay, so if for example you got CRM forms where lead create contact company at the same time, and if company connected to the lead, you can just do modification in the same way. So you selecting, for example, company time, it could be any field, and set up its client and behalf of, save, and move that right here. And then, for example, I will just add it to that lead some company. If I click on the company, I will check if there is any data about company type. A client, for example, will setup is not selected. Create contact. Then I'm going to the contact, and I see that company now set as client, company type client. Quite simple. Using Call Center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number. Select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pass the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else. Okay, let's go for another robots. Go to automation rule, create custom information, and add customer to exception. Very useful robot in case you got a lot of spam. For example, you connected your email to Bitrix, and because your email got a lot of spams, all spams go to your Bitrix as well. So how you can do that? What you can do to reduce number of spam to your Bitrix? So what you can just select a lead and go and click add to exception, and after that, once you do that, Bitrix any email from that email address will not include in lead, but still you will see that emails in webmail, but you will not see that emails in leads. For example, you got a lot of spams, and for that you need to just click, do many clicks, and then add to exception. Very time consuming. And to save your time, you go to automation rules, create custom information, add to exception, save, and move to that stage. What will happen after that? If you got a lot of spam in that stage, you just have many leads, you just move them here, and that's it. They will be disappeared and will be added exception, and you will never ever get spam from that email address again. Very useful one, the same useful one as a delete lead, which I explained in previous video. So that's it, very short video, and if you have questions, ask your questions in the comments under that video, and if you like that video, please click like. Thank you and bye bye.